Hello everyone. In this video we will cover delete functionality. So for deleting any particular to-do we need unique element. So in this case we have ID. You can see here this is our API and you can see ID is unique element here. So we will use this ID for deleting particular element. So we are in VS Code. Now let's make a function for handle delete. So let's provide here const handle delete and it will consume ID. Let's make it arrow function and let's console this ID. Now let's call this function at delete button. So on click of delete button we need ID. So let's call function handle delete and provide here user.id. This user.id is provided by this map function. You can see here. This is user and user.id. So we can access here user.id. Now let's go to in output and let's inspect. Now let's click on first one. You can see this is first ID. Let's click on second one. This is second ID. Let's click on third one. This is third ID. So that's how we can access any particular element. Now let's look at delete operation. Now we need Axios for deleting operation. So let's import Axios from Axios. Also, I forgot to mention that this is our API, and if we want any particular data, then you need to enter here ID. So you can see this is first ID, this is second. So we have second data. Let's provide here third. So you can see. So that's how we can access any particular element. So let's copy this URL and let's call axios.delete function and let's provide here backtick for a dynamic value and let's provide here dollar and ID. Now it will respond us. So using then and will provide here response. So let's console our response and also let's catch error. So let's just console our error for right now and now let's check output. So now I'm pressing on this first one data and you can see status is 200, status text it okay. Now let's check in our API. Let me clear this and you can see first data is deleted. Now let's refresh this page and you can see first data is gone. Now every time we don't want to refresh this page again and again after deleting any element. So for resolve this conflict, let's use fetch data function. So let's go to app.js and we have to provide fetch data function as a props into list component. So let's provide here fetch data and let's consume this function in list component. So you can provide here fetch data and let's call this fetch data function in this block. Let's remove this and okay, I'm sorry, fetch data and now let's check. Now I'm deleting this third element and you can see page is not refreshing again. Let's delete this element and you can see let's enter something and you can see page is not refreshing. So that's it for this video. We'll cover edit functionality in next video. Thanks for watching.